Welcome back, students and parents. Today we will learn more about the types of pronouns. We have already learned that there are 9 types of pronouns, and out of them, we have learned personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, and intensive pronouns in detail in our last sessions. This session will cover indefinite pronouns. What is an indefinite pronoun? As the name suggests, indefinite pronouns are pronouns that do not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. In other words, they are not specific in which noun they replace. There are 3 different kinds of indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns can be singular indefinite pronoun, plural indefinite pronoun, or either singular or plural indefinite pronoun. This chapter has been divided into 2 parts. First part, singular indefinite pronouns. Second part, plural indefinite pronoun, and singular/plural indefinite pronouns. You can tap the I button to watch the second part. Today, we will discuss singular indefinite pronouns. What is a singular indefinite pronoun? Singular indefinite pronouns include the compounds of body, one, and thing, along with the words one, another, each, either, neither, and much. Another, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, enough, everyone, everybody, everyone, everything, less, little, much, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, other, somebody, someone, something. All are indefinite pronouns typically used as singular. When used in a sentence, these words typically take a singular verb. You'll better understand when singular indefinite pronouns are appropriately used with examples. Singular indefinite pronouns. Examples. Another. Can I have another piece of cake, please? Anybody, anyone. Can anyone tell me the date? Anything. I'll binge anything when I'm bored. Each. Each has his priorities. Either. I'll have either one, I don't mind. Enough. We have enough books for this week. Everybody, everyone. We can go when everybody has arrived. Everything. They won everything they entered. Less. We have less than we started with. Little. We know little about this boy. Much. Much has been found about them. Neither. I've told Tom and Zen, but neither will listen. Nobody, no one. I knocked on the door, but nobody was home. Nothing. They knew nothing about what had been planned. One. The games were exciting, but one was goalless. Other. One was clean, and the other was dirty. Somebody, someone. Somebody should have closed the window. Something. Something was moving in the garden. This is it about the singular indefinite pronouns. I hope you enjoyed this session. This chapter is to be continued in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.